Okay, bodybuilder tries to put on a cushion on a couch pillow. This is actually the third couch pillow that I've had to do. I don't want to show you the other two. What I'm thinking is we just fold the thing in half. Now you can use a vacuum cleaner and suck all the air out, but I don't have a bag big enough. So I'm just going to put this in folded in half and hope for the best. Yeah, so got most of that in there, see that? Now this is the tricky part. Get the top over the lip there, okay? And it's not going to be beautiful, but they will sort themselves out. You have to align the zipper, and I think I've got it. Thank goodness these zippers are really good. So I'm leaning on it. Well, look at that. So it's going to be out of shape, but hopefully it'll come good. Sort itself out. Well, it's in there. Now once you sit on it and compress it and stuff, hopefully it'll come good. But I don't guarantee it, okay? We got it in there. You know, I think this is more of a joke than anything, but I got it in there. Just of a tip, if you want how to get it out, is it's kind of the reverse. So you would push on this and you'd open it up and then slide it over the top. Hope that helps. God bless. Teach us all out.